Coach G in this thing. You know we gotta stay mentally focused, mentally aware, always ready for the challenge. Together we care, together we dare, together we are always everywhere, mentally, spiritually, financially. Our group economics will take us there. Rewind this back and I'll say it again. I said mentally, physically, spiritually, we are always there. We are always there. Say our name and agree and we pop up and appear. The Holy Spirit have no fear. Together we are always here. King Jovius Khalif, always respect the reef. Together we gon' teach, together we gon' reach our apotheosis. This is our hypnosis, this is our time, this is our destination. 2020, unify or die, no procrastination. Let's work it out. Here we go, we got bicep curls. 30, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We're doing about 30-second counts. We're doing about 30-second counts, mighty people. Mighty family, mighty family. All right? Now we're going to do what? We're going to break these into squats. Break these into squats. Our power together is from our base. And from our base, we are powerful. There we go, family. You see that, family? Let's get a good view of that. With the weighted vest on. You see the weighted vest? We got about 20 pounds. With the resistance band. Try your squats for Coach G. Gotta keep moving, y'all. Gotta keep moving. There we go, family. There we go. Like I said, fly your squats. Good job. All right, now we're gonna go into what? Jump ropes, baby, jump ropes. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Our unity is our power. Always remember that. Our unity is our power. 20 more seconds. Good job. Stay focused. Stay mentally focused. There we go. Good job. Even when you make a mistake, you continue. 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's get down to get real. Ab wheel. Let's get down to get real. Ab wheel. 30 seconds. Going on the incline right here, folks. You may can't see it. It's the incline right here. Bone on concrete. Weight vest on. 20 pounds. Let's go. Apotheosis Fitness. Together we are always better. Spiritually, naturally, and financially. Together we are always better. $20 more seconds. 20 more seconds. There we go. We're doing a 30-second count on every workout, all right? 30 seconds. We're doing it for time. Doing great. Together we are always better. Our apotheosis is through our group economics. What you are watching is Apotheosis Fitness. Ascend with me, Coach G. Let's create our legacy together. Our unity is our power forever. There we go. Y'all see that, right? All right. Now here we go. 1. Y'all see the lunges, right? Go to the ball, catch. Go to the ball, catch. Go to the ball, catch. Together we are always better, baby. Throw and catch lunges. Throw and catch lunges with an 8-pound ball. All right, we can go over to our resistance. Use our resistance for our chest, all right? Wrap it up. Get a nice firm grip, because we want to use power now. 30 seconds of power. 30 seconds of power. Yeah. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Apotheosis Fitness right here, baby. Coach G. Let's get it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good job. Good job, family. Let's get them back. Good job. Good job, family. Footwork, 30 seconds. Footwork freestyle. 30 seconds of a footwork freestyle. There we go. Like that, family. All right. Apotheosis Fitness. Apotheosis Fitness. Yeah. Aloe vera water. Go get it. Aloe vera water. My mama used to always give me aloe vera to strengthen my cuts, heal myself. So I said, why not drink it? All natural, all organic. We're going to alkaline our bodies like our great ancestor, Dr. Sebi, told us to do. Like our great ancestor, Dr. Sebi, told us to do. We represent our unity through our collective knowledge. Within ourselves first, activating the God that's in you, being our greatest. 2020, unified die. Let's go. Our people are powerful. We are mighty, family. Let's rise to the top. No more complaining and making excuses. Our unity is our power. Our unity is our power. Our power is our unity. Our power is our unity, people. Mighty family, we can do it. Just gotta keep moving, keep shaking. We can do it, baby. We are the most victorious family the world has ever seen. 2020, unified die. Woo! Yeah, supernatural power, supernatural healing is on the way. Together we are always better, Oasis of Life Center. Together we are always better, Oasis of Life Center. Yes, 6666. Our unity is our power.